What's going on?
Brother,
I don't know if it's a shadow. See my sunburn from this weekend. What's going on? Donald, how we doing? Paul, how we doing? Josh Allen, Tony, Don, Steve. What's going on? Steven, talk to you in a while. See GDT's live. Ooh, he's up 80 bucks. Let's go. Starting the day off strong. I actually tried to make 80 bucks, but ended up break even. Hi. I had my I was looking for the retest here of this break down at 50. I had my order at 56 something. But as you can see, it did not want to give that to me, and it pulled back and took me out break even. It did go higher after that, so happy with it, although it did eventually work, but obviously I'm not going to hold through all that. I need Jen to be here. Rob, what's going on? I need you know what? I'm just going to pull that up and send it to her. So yesterday I shot really well on the sim.
That was legitness.
But then pretty much right after, I realized, I was like, you know what? I'm going to learn how to rotate my hips because I've been really bad at, like, my follow through is like really bad. So I was like, all right, I'm going to try to figure this out. And so I literally YouTube searched how to clear your hips in the golf swing. And I learned this new drill, and now I feel like I haven't hit a real ball doing it yet, but I have a feeling when I do, I'm going to shank so many balls. But I am definitely clearing my hips more. Here, I'll show you. Oh, wait, this isn't the right one. I'll show you the difference. Gotta update real quick. Also, I need to find here while we're doing that. I need to find a Tesla option because we're gonna start the $100 series this week. If it loads. Robinhood like down or something going on here. And GDT chose Tesla. All right, so today's the 13th, so we're going to look for about a month out. Options. Oh, hold on. First, I want to take a quick look at the chart. I'm just curious, like the last couple months. Okay, we're way down the past couple months, so we're gonna bank on getting a little bit of a bounce. So we're gonna look for a call. So options, buy, call. We're going to look about a month out, so 30 days. So yeah, May 15th works. And then we're just going to go up until we find $100. So 455. So that's going to be what we're going to buy. And then at the end of this week, we will sell it. And then so on Friday, I don't know if it'll be during the stream, or I don't know if I'll just make a short after the stream or whatever, but we'll look to sell it. And if we win, then we're going to take that profit and parlay it into the next week. But if we lose, it's always going to be a minimum of 100. So the reason I'm doing it this way and not just a week out is because a week out, we're going to get decay. Then yeah, committed to hold until Friday. Oh, let me turn GDT on. He was asking me a question. You guys couldn't hear him. But yeah, he asked, "Am I committed to holding on Friday if there's like a big pop tomorrow?" And the answer is yes. Like I want to just hold it for a week. Now, if there's earnings or something, maybe that'll change. But I don't know. We'll see. Because a lot of these, I want, like when earnings season's around, I want to pick a stock based off of that. So either I like do really well or lose $100. But the idea of going a month out instead of just a week out is because on Friday, the options are going to start, like over the course of just that 1 week, the time decay is going to just eat these alive. So I'd rather pick a month out so that it doesn't hit it as hard. And if it does start moving in that direction, the odds are I'll actually make a little bit. And then the idea is to compound if we actually win. But if I ever have a losing week, it starts over at $100, regardless of how much I made previously. All right, let me see if I can slide this golf swing thing in.
Let's go, Tesla.
Well, we want Tesla to open up low, right? If anything, we want it to open low and then rebound throughout the day. But it's looking like we're going to open to the upside, right? I mean, I didn't even say. Oh, actually, we are gapped way down. I didn't even realize that. Yeah. I just saw we were around 25K and just assumed we were. Yeah, we got a big gap to fill, which is right around yesterday's close. At least we kind of have it marked on the chart. It's already going for it. All right, so here is my swing before. Oh, it doesn't do it like on my phone where I can drag it, so I just got to play it. Now I can slow it down. But real quick, did not slow it down. Why is it not slowing? No. Can I do it here? Stay back. All right, so here was my swing before. So notice how my hips aren't even turned and I already hit the ball. And like, see how my trail foot and like I'm leaning kind of forward on my front foot. So here's what I was trying. I'm not even hitting a ball here, but this is what. Oh, hold on, slow that down. So now watch. So see how my foot's already coming up like at impact, and you can kind of see I'm not leaning forward on my foot. I'm kind of leaning on my heel. And see how it just kind of naturally makes me come through? Oh, watch it. It almost looks like a real golfer. And see how my hips actually like come through like at impact? Let me see if I can stop it. Like, you see how I'm already kind of through where before. Let's yeah, like right there where I come through. And
now the bottom of your foot is pointing towards us at the end. Hooray!
yeah. Whereas in look, like even here, my club's already up here in the air, and I'm still not even close to that. Let's go back to point of impact here. Like right there. So let's put, can I put these side by side? Let me. Yeah, well. Look at my hips. Look at, I'm like coming up through the ball. I'm turned more. It's kind of crazy to look at. I wish I could play them both at the same time. See if I can time it. Ah!
Ha! Gay!
What happened to the other one?
10 seconds. 10 seconds to go, everybody. Good luck.
Oh, crap. Yeah, guys, you guys are going to make me miss the opening trade. Shit.
Market is open. Let's go.
I don't think I would have wanted to go long anyway, so we're good. Really don't like this open. What a slow open. I'm actually curious if Alpine got in. Nope. He didn't get in either. This is such a slow open. Ooh, that would have tagged me in short if I left it, but I took it off. Wow, good thing I did. Because my take profit would have been down towards 200. That would have tagged me in.
Gotta wait for one side to get trapped at this point.
Yeah, I guess no orb trade today. Well, it's still trying to work. See if we would have got lucky. Nope. I'm not in a trade. I'm not in a trade. Neither is Alpine. Oh.
Not good.
I got a feeling I'm not taking this orb trade today.
There we go.
Looks like we might have got lucky here, though. It's trying to come back down. My order, my take profit would have been at 203, I think it said. If I had left it. Which, it's not looking good. Would have gave me a chance to get out. Break even, though. Oh, maybe? You're up $3. Let's go. Sir, my daughter asked me who you are. I said, Mr. Vesh is my buddy and he's a professional.
210.
Let's go. What's up, daughter of Tony Gold? How we doing? Good morning, Jason. Yeah, let's trade. That's a good idea. Oh,
Yeah,
dang.
guy moving.
Would we have got filled? No.
Wanted to go below that candle. Unfortunately, got in.
Oh, no. Alpine got in.
Right
Under
there.
60.
Uh-oh.
Should definitely avoid these. This is just like, I'm not trading the 80-20 well, so I'm going for it. It's 2-to-1 risk reward, so it's kind of worth it now.
It's trying to work.
Alright, I will be in anyway.
It's kind of faking out here.
Anyway. So it's
His take profit's under 200, which is not good.
push down.
Check the low kicks there.
Let me
just in
push down.
case.
He needs the 200 break.
Actually, there's not. Okay.
Trying. There you go. Oh, no. He's at 196. Go, 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 go. Oh, it went to 197. No.
Come on. Oh,
Oh, don't you dare.
no.
Don't you do that to him. One more little push down. Go. No, no, no. Oh my god.
Hate when you lose like that, man.
Dude, that was literally like a few ticks. It didn't lose yet. Didn't lose yet. See, I wish he would have put his stop at break even there, though.
Annoying when I lose
Oh, no.
Like, tick.
2450 is his stop. No, don't do it like that. That's brutal.
By a fucking tick, guys.
Not out yet. Not out yet. Not out yet. Shoot it down. Shoot it down.
So frustrating.
This is why I avoided it, because there was just, I mean, I actually would have, it would have worked for me after putting me through some pain, but nope. Shit. That sucks.
I'll be back. I'm gonna revenge if I don't.
That sucks. Give him this sad face. Alright. Well, let's go back to my chart. I have 0 trades to, well, I do have the 1 trade from pre-market, but we already talked about that. Oh, I gotta do the, see, I gotta do like a reel for this too. Which I don't really fully, like, I think I know how I'm gonna do it. Alright, what, well, let's see if it's still even, okay, close enough, 455. Base cam. I'm gonna get this set up real quick.
Are moving. Maybe we could. I was about to say maybe if it hit 75 and then it dropped a point and a half in a microsecond.
All right, now I got to see how that turned out. Hopefully it turned
That
out.
don't make no
Because
sense.
I can't go back and retake the trade.
I
Six,
said, hold up.
seven.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Something
I
ain't
saw
right.
it go take profit. Sucks. All right, we're in a 455 call expiring 515.
Still looking for the nice push up.
We actually got executed at 95, so 95 bucks. So now we're rooting for Tesla to go up for the next little bit. Hold up. Oh, he did get out. Like one contract or something? I just noticed that. Oh, did he? Oh, did he drag one up?
No.
He does.
A little more.
He dragged, so it could have been a lot worse.
And the fucking top tick beam basically too.
Maybe into the 740s. Alright, I'm gonna get started here, JMIA. I'm gonna start just 250.
Let's
on this
go.
one.
Just did.
The weird. You don't normally see volume out of nowhere coming in just a few minutes to the market open. So I'm gonna get started here. I'm at 741. Only 250 share starter here.
How the fuck did I lose on that?
Oh, I didn't put the mic in. Oh well. How do I trim? I've never used this.
Gets back down under 710.
I want to trim. How do I trim? Maybe I can't trim yet.
I just don't feel like trading anymore. Honestly.
Okay, I'm gonna take 150 off right
There you go.
here.
Like, no matter what I do now, it's the wrong decision.
Let's go,
Trade
GDT.
more, bad decision.
Should have used full
Trade, bad
size.
decision.
Should have used full size. All right, I'm gonna export it and then I might just edit it in Premiere Pro. We'll see. Be easier that way. Sunday was so nice and I wasn't able to go to the range. My leg was hurting all weekend. Ooh. Machado, good morning. You should have been watching the Masters anyway, even though it was kind of a letdown. Scheffler, if he makes that putt on 17, oh my God. If Rory's still messed up the 18th like he did.
You just trade. Holy fuck. Now I need to go short. Fucking was short, I lost.
Alpine is pissed. I mean, I would be too.
Always that one fucking guy. Thinks it's better than everyone else.
He says go short as the market starts. All right, so now I think I need to go
yeah, go
back
short.
to Google
Well,
Photos.
I hope you fucking went short.
I love it.
25 points
here on
since you
JMIA.
said it. Got stopped out, and now it's gonna go lower.
Only gave me 101 share fill there, and I'm even hitting it on the ask on that cover. Tried to get 150.
So it says it exported. Where did it export to? See it.
So let's see what it does here.
Oh,
I'm not even looking.
David. There.
Fuck.
Now there's
Always
Yeah,
the
there
day
we
before passing an eval or something. It's always like that.
at 7:15, so there's some weird movement happening right now in
All right, we'll
JLA.
let that upload.
Thankfully, I took one off.
Is
Just
this a
minutes
David?
before Trump's announcement of talks with Iran, massive traders hit the market. In one move, 1.5 billion in S&P 500 futures were purchased. This trade was so large, it sent the entire index 0.3% higher that exact minute. 192 million in oil futures were also sold. These orders were 4 to 6 times larger than anything else at that time. Whoever made those trades made $60 billion. I wonder if that was Congress. I wonder if that was insider trading from Congress, the administration, and the Senate. Just minutes before
That's crazy.
When you take a loss,
I mean, they could erase the debt if they just did stuff like that, right? I mean, if they did it for a good reason,
100%.
I don't even know if I'd be mad at it.
ORB was not a trade today. Like,
If it benefited the people,
I should
why-
have canceled.
you
it.
know?
I mean, I took that trade at 9:30.
Thanks. Still
One
waiting
and a
on
half.
JMIA
That's-
to.
The ORB
figure
is
out
not
what
a
else to
trade
do.
today because it was
Only
too
got a
slow.
partial on
I just took it because I trade like
initial
crap
close
Working?
there.
outside of the ORB, so I don't want to miss.
I'm so
that.
mad that I didn't put the mic in.
But
'Cause
let's say
now
if
it
I was
sounds like
trading
crap,
well with
but
80-20 like I was
all right,
in March,
might be able to fix it a little bit.
you guys saw me not take the ORB a couple of times when it was that slow. There's just no point.
That wasn't too bad to get it to my desktop.
All right, March, you're gonna send me your payouts right now. Otherwise,
What's up, traders? We're going to start a new series where I bet
all right, March,
fix the audio.
Create a nice giveaway for everyone. Send me all your payouts for. Send me whatever prop firm you're trading with, or send me the dashboard. I want to see your dashboard. There you go. Not even payouts, just the dashboard. I want to see you have all green days.
So audio. I forget
If not, you have 5
using the
minutes
essential
left,
sound panel.
If not, you will make a new YouTube channel.
Further.
Where's the essential?
I fucking hate know-it-alls, guys. There's nothing worse.
There it is. Sound repair. What is it? I forget which. Tag clips of dialogue that apply the podcast.
It doesn't matter if it pulls back. That means he doesn't use a stop loss.
Voice enhance.
$100
No. Okay, let's give me a low tone. So that
every single week for the rest of the year.
hot.
And today we're going to do it on a Tesla
Did it work? I feel like it didn't work.
option call. It's all of
I
these
guess
are going
I'm
to be
doing it.
about a month out, where I do it on Monday and I close it out on Friday. If I make money, I'm going to compound it into the next week. If I lose money, I'm going to go ahead and start always at $100. So today we're going to look for a option about a month out, which is about May 15th. We're going to look for a call. We're going to go up to or down
I guess
to
I'm more so.
255.
You could hear that sex sound in the background.
HTI dropping again.
We're going to look for a call
It's
up
moving
at
down.
455. That puts us right around
There we
that
go.
$100
There's the
mark.
reduced noise. I was like,
We're going to go ahead and continue. It's going to cost $97.04. Go ahead and review that, and we're going to swipe up, and we're going to submit it. And there,
you notice the voice is like off a little bit versus the recording?
what's up, traders? We're going to
Why? Why is it like that? All right, well, let me actually link them again. Get rid of this. What? Am I hitting the wrong button? Which one is? Man, I haven't used this in a while, so. Shift L? Shift. Which one is the one that splits it? The control? Oh, it's control kit. That's why.
MBAI moving a bit.
Another pop back up. Split.
Expensive there. Ooh, big pop in the market. What happened there?
Just Tesla, baby.
Crazy moves.
Tesla's going to the moon.
ITV?
Just kidding, I have no-
Big. That one's a
That
little,
was about.
probably out of the price.
We're up $2 on Tesla. We're up $2.
Tesla, boom!
We're up $2 on Tesla, baby.
Open, yeah, there you go.
Oh snap! All right, all right.
Just open, guys. 9:30.
Time to sell.
We can get the push up through 50 here a little bit more. Time to sell. Yep.
That's
Yeah,
a
up
good
$4.
open, by the way. That's a good
Ooh.
Nuts.
going right for the gap close, probably.
Order filled. Order working.
For a quick reject, the 50 here. Now we're gonna get up here. Probably in a little early for this, but that still would be 6 points. I guess we'll take the quick little win if it wants to give it to us.
Order working. Order filled. Order working.
Actually, these two candles were pretty big. Be careful here. I'm gonna get too big too quick. Love to at least get one of these out. Yeah. All right.
Order working. Order filled. Order
I would
working.
really like to get some of these out.
Stop.
Tesla to the
You
moon.
know what's going on?
Yeah, Tesla's doing good. I'm not doing good. I need this to come back down at least
Right for the gap
temporarily.
close.
That was a crazy move. We're going for the gap fill apparently. You can come get me out a couple of these contracts first, please. There we go. Go, go, go. Don't you? There you
Order
go.
filled.
There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Nah, Marky, you're not gonna fucking do this to me today.
Keep going, keep going.
I'm not gonna,
I just
not
want the
gonna let
50
you do this to me
retest.
today.
I'm gonna take this if it gives
What
it to
on
me.
Earth is going on with
There we
Order
go.
filled.
All right. Probably would have been fine down there. We'll take the 50 bucks. Trust me, I'm not looking to get behind if I don't have to.
That is absolute insanity.
Alpine's getting spanked. Oh, and
Guys,
he copy
I
traded him.
basically got top fucking ticked. I basically
Damn, it
got
would have worked the
top
50 retest. The full retest there would have worked, but I was getting a little scared there. I didn't realize how big those candles were. Okay, let me see if I can fix this while we wait for the market to do something else.
Oh, goodbye, Mark. You're a fucking
What's up, traders? We're going to
idiot.
start a new series where I bet one.
You can't-
I
you
need
can't
to...
do it.
Do I need to move?
You just could talk in hindsight.
So do I need to move?
I don't know, JMIA. You're kind of just being weird now.
What's up, traders? We're going to
I went the...
Oh man.
What's up,
that's
traders?
just
We're gonna
fucking
start a
sucks,
new
bro.
series where
How
I
do get
bet-
stopped out there not
not
get
either.
a re-entry is pretty sad, right?
Trying to line it up.
What's up, traders? We're going to start a new series where I bet
What am I supposed
So
to do? Not
close.
stops, I guess that would be the better
I don't know
option.
which way I have to go though.
Obviously, like this, not to stop
Now turn over.
would be an option just to stop out like manually.
I'm just gonna take JMIA off here. I'm not sure what's gonna do. I
I'm just having a
want to get into
An awful.
What's up, traders?
idea
We're
to
going to start a
look.
new series where I bet $100 every single week for the
Maybe
rest
two
of the
ticks.
year. And today we're going to
Stops
do it
me
on a
out,
Tesla
then it
option
dumps.
call.
It only
It's,
stops me
all
out,
of these are
only
going to
one
be
goes
about a
another
month
couple
out,
points,
where I do it on
dumps.
Monday and I close
Now
it
I
out on
enter
Friday. If
short,
I make money,
stops
I'm going to
me out, and
compound
then
it
I
into
try to
the next
re-enter,
week.
it
If I
doesn't give
lose
you
money,
entry,
I'm
and-
going
and
to
it
go
dumps.
ahead
it's
and
just
start
like,
always
what am
at
I supposed
least
to do at that point?
$100. So
You are
today we're
pretty
going to
much
look for
right
a
every
option about a
time, but you
month
still
out,
lose.
which
You
is
just
about
can't do
May
anything about it,
15th.
right? You just gotta
We're going to look
accept
for
it
a
and be
call.
like, maybe
We're going to
today
go
is the
up
day I
to
walk
or
away.
Yeah, this is where I screwed up.
15th. We're going to look for a call.
Literally what
Call.
puts you on tilt. It's not the losses. Losing, if I short here, I get stopped out here, and the market's at 380, I'm like, well, hey, traded well, executed well,
Jeez.
did everything I could, just didn't get the right read. I had the perfect read. I just got stopped out.
Okay.
We're going to go up to or down to 255.
Let's see.
We're going to look for a call
That's-
up at 4.
That's the reason to
That's
tilt.
Big market
For
pop
me.
there.
You know, everyone's
We're going to
got
look for a
different tilt theory. That's a tilt for me. Like, it's being right but losing money. That's basically what tilt is.
about May 15th. We're going to
I'm
look for a
wrong.
call up
I
at 455. That puts us right around that $100 mark. We're going to go ahead and continue. It's going to cost
I mean, I guess
$97.04.
eventually
Go ahead and review that, and we're going to
I'm
swipe
wrong
up.
all
We're
the
going to submit it,
time,
and there we go. We are
but
in
I'm
one Tesla
trading
call
well
option,
overall, and then
455
I have
call
a couple
expiring
bad
in a month, but we're going to close
trades
this out at the end of the week. Let's see how it
I
goes,
just
and I'll see you
completely
at the end of
get it
the week.
wrong.
Peace.
It's like, whatever. Today's not the day, but I'm feeling like I'm right there. It's just there's something about it that's just giving me. Stop out. I don't know what to do.
All right. I think we got it. I should have been more patient and waited for 300. I was in 275 and missed a lot.
That's all right. I take one more trade. It's gonna be a huge loss if I take one more trade. But my balances are so big.
Tesla up to 108. Oh shit, we're making money, boys. We're up $13. I should close it out. I should close it out.
See, that would have been a win. That would have been a win.
I think next week I'm gonna let my son choose just some random.
Like
I'm
15% right now.
I'm gonna like put a thing on the wall
Patient.
of like the top
That's a
the
ridiculous
current
number.
top 10 stocks in the S&P, and I'm gonna just let him pick one of the top 10. But then I'll do a little chart analysis and pick long or short, but just hodl and hodling. That would defeat the purpose of the series. All right, let's watch this back one more time.
What's up,
make sure it's
traders?
good.
We're going to start a new series where I bet $100 every single week for the rest of the year. And today we're going to do it on a Tesla option call. All of these are going to be about a month out, where I do it on Monday and I close it out on Friday. If I make money, I'm going to compound it into the next week. If I lose money, I'm going to go ahead and start always at least $100. So today we're going to look for an option about a month out, which is about May 15th. We're going to look for a call up at 455. That puts us right around that $100 mark. We're going to go ahead and continue. It's going to cost $97.04. Go ahead and review that, and we're going to swipe up. And we're going to submit it, and there we go. We are in one Tesla call option, 455 call expiring in a month, but we're going to close this out at the end of the week. Let's see how it goes, and I'll see you at the end of the week. Peace.
Easy peasy. Miss K, what's going on? How are you? Tesla 413.26. Sports. Maybe we'll do it like at the end of the stream on Friday after we do the giveaways and stuff.
I just know if as soon as I take it, it's gonna explode. You wanna see? Watch. Watch this.
All right, all caught up. GDT's in a trade. I think Alpine's in a trade, or he tried to get into a trade. Why is he in a trade here, though? Just asking for trouble. This looks like it wants to go test the highs again. I think we'll close the gap, honestly. Wow, his stop got missed by a tick there. So if this one actually works out, he got lucky this time.
We're gonna add some in there. Now in at 25.22 with 500.
I'm having more fun watching other people today. apparently. All right. We need the market to go down, and we need Lunar to go down. Oh, Lunar's going down. Let's go. And we need the market to go down. Market is not going down. Alpine might smash his keyboard today.
Beautiful. Gonna take 300 off there, down to 200.
The worst part is he's going to get stopped out. Oh, he added.
Keep
Oh.
going.
Okay. It might work out if it goes down here. Oh.
So he gets under 24.80 now. Look for another 100 here.
I got stopped out one of the two. 295 is the other one, which is right before that. He's revenge trading. Yeah, I agree. He's literally revenge trading.
20, that's it.
Alright, put 100 out, 24.74.
Brother,
Is Nutty? Yeah, Nutty's live. Let's see how he's doing. Nutty is very small green.
Alright,
Let's-
got that. See if he gets down towards 24.50 for the last 100.
EDT with a nice winner. Let's go.
The news wants to hit me.
Is there news at 10?
It's gonna take a whole week to recover this loss.
This last 100 go back up over 25. So we're in the money, just a matter of if you keep going or not.
All right, coming up to yesterday's close. Fill that gap. This is the gap fill too. I swear, when there's a gap, guys, we need to just get in until it fills the gap. It's like it always fills the gap. The market does not like gaps. I love gaps, but the market does not. I'm gonna do something stupid.
Order working.
You know what? I'm gonna go down to one contract, just in case.
Order working.
Alright, over 25
Alright,
again.
final
I'll be
trade.
stopped out the rest.
But obviously going for a big target, so it's either gonna.
He got in at 20. He's trying to get the 80-20 to work. I'm looking for it to retest yesterday's close first. His stop is at 34.
I'll take that. $150 on that one. Nice and easy.
Nice trade, Justin. Good job. No, come get me at the actual close. Oh, no, don't, because I'd rather him win. His take profit's all the way down at 257, though. So he's expecting it to come retest down here. Which it could. But he's trying to get the big win to save all the accounts. All right, I'm going to cancel mine because I'm going to go back to 2 contracts. I'm going to wait for an actual trade because if we get through yesterday's close, we might actually pop. This was the gap fill. 326. Just out of curiosity, real quick. Where did this close? Where was the bottom of this gap? 325.50.
Big dump here.
325.50. And where do we go? 326 exact. 2 ticks. I told you, the market does not like gaps. That was almost to the tick. Yeah, I like your gap. You know what gap I'm talking about, Rob? The gaps that I like? There's a very specific gap. I still haven't watched the episode of The Boys. I just haven't had time.
Go.
We're hoping that it fails this previous resistance for Alpine right here. But right now it's trying to bounce off of it. We want it to get under there and continue down. It's also the key level of 300. It'd be hard not to see them come up and try this though. Hopefully it comes down and fakes out to the low side first. He's sitting at 250. 250, 257. Put a line there. 7. Oh, that's not the line. That's what he's looking for. He's looking for 257. I guess that'll save the accounts for the most part.
I think get 250s. We actually sell off. I mean, this is just a pullback, then no, but
We need it to stay under 300. I don't see where it doesn't try yesterday's close, unfortunately. Which would pretty much take him out because he's at 34.50 is his stop, so pretty much right at yesterday's close. Actually a good spot to have his stop, and I don't even think he has it there because of that. I think he just kind of got lucky based off of where he got in. You're up 43 now. Was down like 300. Let's go. Good morning, Favernty. Favernty. Hopefully we reject without testing the highs here, because then it could look like a lower high.
I don't like break-even stops. I feel like break-even stops are the worst thing known to traders. Because what if it stops me at break-even and then it dumps?
Yeah, see, I'm the other way with that.
Testing right now.
At least you get stopped out break even, because what if it continues against you? Then you get a chance for a better opportunity at an entry. I'd rather stop out break even after the trade didn't work.
Break-even stops for my
Like especially here, like he was in, it tried to work in his favor,
just me.
goes back up. Why not get out break even in case it goes higher? Because then you can get back in with a better entry. But if it does work, then so be it. It's not the trade you were looking for anyway. Unfortunately, this looks like it might try to come get him. We wanted it not to retest the highs, because now that it retested the highs, they're going to try to fake it out.
It does work. Selling drawdown on rhythmic does work.
On reject. I know that he's in a bad, like he shouldn't be in this trade, but still got to hope it works for him.
You had no trailing drawdown or no end of day drawdown, or just drawdown. Well, that was on evals.
I actually recorded me and him playing a round of golf on the sim last night.
No, I'm not.
I'm not going to like post it or anything, but I was just kind of test recording. I forgot to put the mic on.
Use code PINE.
I need to figure out a way to, because I'm using the one USB-C port and I need the USB-C port for the mic. So I need to figure out a way. I think I need to buy another cable. I need to think about that too.
If I get stopped out here, I am done for the day. I am.
Hopefully we reject here for him.
Still gotta do that.
Nice. Nice rejection there. Almost looks like a fake out breakout too, which is good.
No matter what. Win or lose.
His stop is at, no, that's not what we wanted to see.
We back.
Because this might just literally pop up through and then fake out.
I should pretty much give up everything for at least a week.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. It's going to pop right through.
I want to give up everything for a week except.
He's at 34.50. It went to 33. He's good so far. He's still good.
And if I didn't
Still
give
good.
away, I just been.
Could you imagine? Could you imagine this works?
Nothing's working.
Imagine this goes all the way back down to 57 now. It literally, he doesn't even know that that's why this rejected. He has no idea that this is why it rejected.
I already hit max loss on Tradeify. I didn't notice.
He has no idea that yesterday's close is the only reason he's still in this trade. Hopefully it holds. I mean, look at that. Almost to a T. Guys, I know you hear me say this all the time. I do not put this orange line on the chart. It is there because it is the day before his close. He's trading the new Apex accounts, I think. He's on 150Ks. So yeah, I don't know if he chose trailing or end of day. I don't know. I mean, that's crazy that he just got saved by 1.5 points. What, I'm actually curious. What was the exact close? Closed at 333. Guys, 333 is that current high. Literally to the tick. I can't make this shit up.
Close the gap, basically.
Can't make this shit up.
Close the gap. To a tick.
I mean, it could be trailing. He's got 4,500 in drawdown.
Wish I could have 2 contracts right now. But I use them here, so.
Just trying.
Yeah, it's my final trade today. I've been trading so poorly that I kind of just want to do ORB and nothing else. Just wasted my time doing anything else. Right?
Just barely stopped me up.
Right at this moment, last couple weeks. Like I win some trades, but
Yeah.
net, I'm always negative.
Reject, reject, reject. Get under there.
Because I just rotate accounts, right? So if I'm
Let's be clear. He does not deserve to win
one
this
account,
trade,
then
but we're still going to hope he
I'm
wins,
trading
right?
that account, so I
He
might
shouldn't
go
even
one
be in
account,
this
but
trade. He's in this
I
trade
made
because he's
$300
revenge
on
trading.
4
It's a
accounts.
bad trade. And he's literally in hope mode. But we're still going to hope
Progress,
that
I
it
go
works,
one
right?
account, so it's just frustrating. No confidence.
Get through
I
there.
shouldn't have taken the ORB. That was
Get through there.
just a FOMO.
He needs some milk.
There we go. It's progress. We need this to get through 300 and stay.
Dump this. Give me like 75 points and we'll call it a day.
Welcome to the jungle, bitch.
What should I name the short for the new series? Day 1 or week 1. Week 1. Risking $100.
Let someone
What if I
take
did
30s? Yeah, I might.
risking
I want to see how it reacts here and then.
$100 every week?
I only have 1 contract, so I can't let.
For the rest of the year. Week 1,
We gotta keep going lower first.
Tesla. How's that sound? Risking $100 every week for the rest of the year. Week 1. I should have started it off that way, but I guess I can start saying it that way moving forward. Because there's a good point to go lower on the band. Yeah, no, I agree. That's what we're hoping for. We're hoping to get the move down.
Waited, but that's what happens on red on the day. I don't have patience.
All right, Don. I wonder if Streamlabs is working today. Risking $100 every week for the rest of the year. I like it. I like it. Let's go with that. We'll see. We'll see how it does. Let's ask Gemini. Oh, it's going. Let's go.
Can we do it?
MCT move.
Break 80, please.
Accounts are good.
RTSL is Tradify. Tradify's BitMake accounts.
Saved by Friday's close. He didn't even know it. Didn't even know it. Risking $100 every week until 2027.
See if I can get that.
Can I turn $100 a week into a fortune? Week 1, Tesla. Okay. Okay.
For only
$100 weekly stock challenge. Eh. I'm risking $100 every week. Here's week 1. Eh.
$1. Get up to 79 since it came down a bit here. But might have missed the fill. We'll see.
Come on.
Wow, he's getting the push down. Let's go.
20 more points. You could just flip for a penny, doesn't matter. For 1 tick. But passing TPT eval in 2 days is very hard because it's 50%. So it's exact. Okay, so you would have to make it.
Leia, good morning.
And then
Did have a good weekend. It was busy, but it was good.
let's say if you make on the 50K, if you make 1520,
Let's see,
and then
high stakes hook.
1480,
Tesla week 1, the $100 challenge.
and
Oh,
the
that's
1520
it's for the.
now makes it a 3040 profit target.
Kind of like the can I turn $100 a week into a fortune?
Yeah, let's hope it goes. Me and Tim are gonna do a golf stream soon. We played yesterday. It was a lot of fun.
Oh, let's go. Did he get it?
Very close.
63. He needs 57. 57 is where he's at. He moved it down 2 ticks. Wow, what? He was a point and a half away. That's crazy. Thanks, Leia. I appreciate that. A point and a half away. How does he not take that all? Could you imagine it comes all the way down and then just rockets right back up? That would suck so fucking bad.
Could definitely go for like 220.
Oh no, he's lowering it now. Now he's down to 55.25.
It's like a reversal, but I'm not. Okay. Not today. If I could be down 1 ORB, I mean, I can't complain about that.
It's crazy. He almost got saved to the tick off of, and he didn't even know it was there. He just got completely lucky that that happened to be there. He's at 55.25. Right there. Playing with fire. I would have probably got out, honestly.
Huh.
Because it's not like it's gonna take him break even.
Support here. I guess right there. It might bounce here first.
What's the point of letting it bounce if you're only looking for a couple points, though? Just take that shit off. No matter what you tell him, he ain't gonna listen, so. Alpine's not one to listen to his audience. Or even me, for that matter. Oh, give it to him. There it is. Let's go.
Alright. We'll take that, champs. We'll take that. Down 400 bucks.
All right, I'm just gonna let him be. Hopefully he doesn't do anything else stupid.
Little one here, didn't quite get the fill.
We are one $200 a day away from a payout on Apex. We're already in payout and all that jazz. We haven't maxed it out yet, but we need one more $200 a day. Couldn't get there on Friday. We only made 120. Just couldn't find the trades. We're up 50 right now. So if we can somehow find another $150 today, we can take a payout. All right, we need to come up with we need to come up with the title for the short so I can post it. It's I'm between risking $100 every week until 2027, or can I turn $100? Yeah, I like that. I like the first one because it makes people understand, and it doesn't sound clickbaity either. It's kind of what I already had because I had risking $100 every week for the rest of the year. But if I do until 2027, and it just looks better. All right, let's do it. All right, it's out. Go watch it in the chat. Wow, he got filled. No, it's good about. That's crazy. Good for him. He got lucky. Oh, GDT in a trade. Let's go. I want to trade. I want to trade. They're not letting me trade. Oh no, my Tesla option is not looking good. Now we're down $6. Should have sold. Should have sold. Why didn't you guys tell me to sell?
Told you should have sold.
Blame all of you.
I told you to sell. I told you.
You did not. You're a liar.
I literally said you're up 15% in minutes. You should sell.
He's lying, guys. Don't listen to him. He's lying. He's lying. Don't listen to him.
Play it back.
Why is the MNQ insane, Tony? It's no different than the NQ.
Oh, here we go. Beautiful. CMCT. Thank you.
Oh, thank you. I'll take that $50. Thank you.
We get the 4 trades today. Let's go.
That's crazy that he literally was a point away from getting stopped out, comes down, fills them, and then just look. I'm not trying. Look, I've said this about Alpine since I've known him,
Yeah, that was a
but
nice drop there.
he does get a lot of, like, he has losing trades and stuff like that. But if anyone's been watching him for a long time, you know he does get lucky a lot. Like when he used to do the one strat where he would just add one contract and take it out, but he would always leave his take profit for the original one out. and it would always seem to like come back. The amount of times I've seen him almost get stopped out and not get stopped out for it to come back and work, or like almost blow an account and not blow an account and it comes back and works. It's crazy. He gets lucky. He gets lucky a lot. Some people are just that way, man. I've said this before. I have a cousin that has entered. He said in his life he's entered 5 drawings. Is it 10 o'clock? Oh, 10. Holy crap! It's almost 10:30 already. He's entered 5 drawings at carnivals to win a car, and he's won 2 of them. He's won 2 cars from carnivals. Like, and he's just that way. Like, he's the guy that when he goes to the casino, he gets mad when he doesn't get at least like 10 blackjacks sitting at the table. Where I'm just hoping to get 1. Like, he gets mad if he doesn't get at least 10. And it's he's just so used to it, you know? Like, he's just, some people are just that way, man. Yeah, Rob, you're definitely right there. No, the moral of that was just that some people just have to work a little bit harder than others, and that's just life. I mean, but the NQ looks exactly the same. It's just
Some people non-stop bitch about being the unluckiest person in the world.
I didn't say I was the unluckiest person in the world. I just said that they were 2 of the luckiest people in the world. Now, GDT.
Every time. I could never get lucky. Every time.
I mean, you watch me. It's kind of true. I don't get lucky often. I will say that. I do not get lucky often. It's a shock when I do get lucky. That's how often it happens.
You're up 2 points in MU8. Nice. Look at MU. You go long there or 9?
Oh, I need to clear the hips.
Or after this
I need to
one?
clear the hips.
9:45 would have been a lot more than 2 points. Long, yeah, okay, so you're looking for that breakout from that consolidation there. Nice.
Sorry, Donald. I just saw your message. I just responded. Sorry. You should have said something in the stream chat. If I didn't respond to you and it was an important question, just get my attention. That was my fault. I just didn't look up at the Discord. Like up in the top left of the Discord, I'm looking right into my light up there. See how it like shades me? Because that's
I'm so good at betting, Tim,
all good.
that my Masters pick to win didn't even make the cut.
So, do you know who Bobby Bones is, Justin? He's like a radio host, country radio host.
No.
So, well, doesn't matter. My wife listens to him, and before the Masters started last week, he asked his co-host, who knows nothing about sports, and Bobby Bones is a big sports bettor. So he asks her, pick a letter, any letter in the alphabet, and that was going to be who he found somebody to bet on for the Masters, and she picked the letter R. And so some girl that has no idea about sports, no idea about anybody who's playing the sports, picks R, so he picks Rory and he wins. That's how you got to sports bet.
You could have picked Patrick Reed.
Could have, but I guess he was going off the first name. I don't know. But I also too, like when you pick a letter like R, I guess it's just the. I'm not saying he couldn't have picked somebody. I'm just saying that was probably just the first name that came to mind when you're doing a bunch of things. You hear R, you're probably just like, oh yeah, Rory.
I got so excited when Rory shanked that ball on 18. I was like, please.
Did you see Scheffler's putt on 17?
Yeah.
He makes that, they go to a playoff. It's crazy. Or if he like, can you imagine he double bogeys the last? That would have been crazy. It would have been just like last year where he had to go to a playoff because he fucked it.
Finishes like 3 feet further to the left. He doesn't have that window to go up and over the tree.
Yeah, he would have had to punch it out. But I think he was dumb for doing that. I think he should have just punched it out in the fairway. He ends up with the same score anyway, unless he puts it in the bunker after he's in the fairway.
They're so good out of the bunker, though. They don't mind being in the bunker. I think some of them actually like being in the bunker more.
Yeah. You could, they were even saying during the broadcast that some of them were actually, like, there was a couple holes where if you missed to the left where there was no bunkers, it was actually worse than missing to the right and going into the bunker, because at least you stop next to the hole with the bunker.
My best horse was the one that finished second to last for under the guy's chair on the dog leg at 16. Was that Cam? Oh no, wait, second to last. Well, what's his name? Shot a 10. He was like,
I saw that.
like 7 under,
Yeah.
and all of a sudden he was 1 over.
There was some memes floating around with him.
Something Lee, Asian dude.
Here, let me. It was, yeah, here it is. It says me while the rest of my group is on the green putting out, and then you got this guy. Dude. He's just up here in the woods.
Well, I think he also boned Scotty, because he was with Scotty, and Scotty had to wait in the fairway like 30 minutes while he was trying to find his ball and shoot pitch shots.
Yeah, yep. That's hilarious. Rory McIlroy has won 2 Masters since the Jets have had their last interception. Oh man, the internet is so funny sometimes. That's crazy.
Oh boy.
Who recorded me, Don? I know, right? I think if I ever had a ball up in like the sticks like that, I'm taking it and throwing it. There's no way I'm trying to hit it out. No shot. I'm gonna post my video on X as well real quick.
MCT coming back up, maybe a round 2 here in the future.
DTM. DTM.
BTM.
Yeah, I turned it on so they could hear you now, since there's not as many alerts going off.
Yeah. Sucks, man. The market has not been giving me much opportunity lately. Thankfully, I made some money last week on the opening trade, but I didn't even get that today. Hey, it's going back up. We're only down $4 now. Are you, am I delayed? I feel like you're a little bit behind me. I feel like it's taken like a good 10 seconds for me to go through on yours. You and GDT 1v1 golf sim? If he sets it
I
up.
don't know. Maybe I gotta hit your live button.
I don't think he
I was a little behind on your
has it
stream.
set up. Deshaun says we should 1v1 golf sim, but you don't have a golf sim, so fix that. Oh yeah, it's much quicker now. It's better. Thank you. Rory McIlroy admitted he had an unfair advantage. Yeah, I saw that he was, I didn't watch the interview, but he was saying that he showed up like 3 weeks early and didn't play the 3 previous tournaments so that he could practice for Augusta, like on Augusta for 3 weeks. I don't know how I feel about that. How do you feel about that?
I mean, as long as everyone's allowed to do it.
It's not even,
Like,
yeah,
me
it's,
and him, then
well, it's not that he wasn't allowed to do it. It's that he purposefully missed 3 tournaments that he could have given really good ratings to, per se, if he, you know, played them. Just so that he, I don't know, like from the PGA's perspective, I guess is what I'm looking at.
big-ass little tournaments.
I mean, they're still $1 million prize pools. What was it, 4.5 for the Masters though? That is pretty crazy.
Everyone's allowed to do it. Yeah, as long as it wasn't like, and everyone who played in the Masters, as long as they were all allowed to go out there early, I don't have a problem with it.
Yeah, Bryson was an idiot. He went for the YouTube clicks and did mini Augusta instead of the real Augusta. Didn't pan out very well. Tim, add the Keltner with default settings. Why? Let's see. Yeah, GDT, add the Keltner channels and see how all your trades look today.
No. It almost gave me like a heart attack last week.
I wish you had the ability like Trade Evade where you
They were on
can
there, I just started panicking.
you can just hover over it and hit the little eyeball and it just disappears. I think you do actually. You just have to open up the strategies menu. Maybe hit hide or something. What am I looking at here, Don? Just that it's hugging them.
I changed my settings. I didn't even know how to do it.
Oh wait. What? 13 10 2. Oh, this is with the 13. Hold on. I got to go back to 20.
It'll definitely be Tim's fault if I have a heart attack, that's for sure.
Well, this makes it even worse.
You know, my ex-wife or my kids or none of those people.
It goes through it way too easy. And the whole point of the Keltners is to give an outer band. So that way if it gets there, you're like, okay, this is extended. Now I feel safe getting into a trade. Yeah, I mean, for the choppiness, I guess, but all it takes is that one time where you get in at the band when you think it's choppy, and then it goes to the actual bands, and then you're like, fuck.
These chicks don't even know the name of my band.
Little Eminem. What was the name of that band? D12 or V12?
MNTS.
Forget what it was called.
D12.
D12.
So I get on stage, right? Drop the mic. Pull up these hot
MNTS.
chicks, and I'm all like, "Sup, ladies? My name's Slim Shady. I'm the lead singer of D12, baby." They're all like, "Oh my god, it's him! Becky, oh my fucking god, it's him!"
Now imagine a young, pudgier GDT singing that song and just getting into it.
Yeah.
MNTS.
I'd have that little meme where you had me like shaking my head that you used to post in the chat.
Where is it? I still have that. Gotta find it.
I was really patting that one.
No.
MNTS.
Like, I still have all of these. Yeah, here it is.
MNTS.
You guys are gonna be shocked at what GDT used to look like.
Car.
Let's see if I can replace you on your own stream.
MNTS.
Yeah, just
Just seeing this is going to make me not eat the rest of the day.
You're welcome.
Car.
This is a live view of GDT stream.
God.
Car.
Oh my god, look how fat I was.
Isn't that crazy putting them side by side? You look like a grape.
Car.
Yeah, I used to post this in the ISW chat all the time. How much did you weigh there?
Probably like 210, 220
Yeah.
maybe.
So you weren't even like fat. You know, I mean, you're heavy, but not
Car.
fat. 'Cause you're a little taller too. So
Gross.
let me see if I can find. I want to go back to before I started my
Look at that
journey.
chisel jawline now.
Just wait. You're almost married again.
Yeah. No, that wasn't TradeNet. That was right after my divorce. That was I guess 6 years ago now.
That was 6 years. Known you for that long? Jesus.
Yeah. Well, and you've known me since before that.
Yeah,
You've
well,
known me
yeah.
for
No, I know.
Probably 8 years now. What would we meet in like 2018, something like that?
It was like, yeah. It was either, well, I started trading late 2018. So yeah, it was probably like late 2018, early 2019.
So maybe 2019.
Yeah, I joined ISW like January of 2019. So it was probably right, like I knew about you right away because I was watching you when I started.
CMCT maybe round 2.
Maybe round 2. Is that B?
No, that's me.
Oh. I heard B hasn't been around for a few months. That's why I was like, what?
Must be nice to have so much money you just don't have to be.
I know, right? And you're still paying for scanners that aren't making you any money.
I could come and make money today, but I just don't even need to.
See what I look like. Oh, God. Yeah, I had a pretty fat face going on, too.
Yeah. Let's see you. Let's see you.
Hold on. I don't even know if... What, I don't even know around when I started. But, yeah. Find one where I don't look so bad. That's pretty bad.
Appreciate that.
I don't even remember when my heaviest was. I just remember getting on the scale one day and I was 246 and I was like, no, 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 no. We're not doing that.
BTM.
Hush, BTM.
All right. Say I'm covering my. Can't really like make myself bigger though. Yeah, I guess. Go.
BBGI. BBGI.
Definitely was chubbier in the
Oddly
face.
enough, your nose looks weird there.
It's the shadow. It's the light. The lighting. I don't know what's going on with my lighting. Actually, I mean, I'm
Brother,
supposed to agree with shadows, but
No, I
But
mean,
you-
the old one, your nose looks weird.
could just be the lighting too. Because right now the lighting is putting shadows on me, where in that one I had the light direct, like the camera was in front of me instead of off to the side. Was I making money that day? Yeah, it was. Check that out.
Still the same.
That fish tank, man. You know, there's like 100+ fish in there right now. It's frustrating. Man, look at that hard trade I was in. That looked like a really bad trade. I was definitely, my face definitely chubs up. That's for sure.
CN.
It's not as bad as mine was.
No, yours was pretty bad.
I look like different people.
CN.
Back to the highs. Go make sure Alpine didn't do anything stupid.
I'm at like 177 right now, so theoretically I'm like
CN.
over 30 pounds later.
No, yeah. Oh, wait. Can't tell if he traded again or not. Yeah, I am
Plus the highs, yeah.
officially at 190. I am, what is that? 56 pounds? Down 56 pounds. I was 189, but yeah, I was chubby. I think when I met you at the casino, I was still around like 220. Like I was on the way down, but I was still up there.
Really? That wasn't that long ago.
Yeah, that was pretty long ago. When did you put that short out? I mean, maybe it was like 215, 210. I didn't really like do a good job of keeping track this time because I didn't want to keep track per se, because I didn't want it to be like a challenge. I just wanted to just do it. I didn't care how long it took, etc. I just wanted to make sure I was exercising good habits.
I posted this short on December 26th.
Yeah, I mean that was 4 months ago. Let me see what I look like. Where'd it go? Where's the sound? Oh, there it is.
I met Tim.
Yeah, I mean, I still look at my face. My face is still pretty puffed.
It's Tim. We met each other. That's Tim. It finally.
Even your face, like, have you lost weight since then? I mean, even your face looks a little different.
All my money.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, I'm definitely down since then.
I say yeah.
I'm like 15 since then.
It's all them steps you're taking to Heaven Hill.
Yeah. I'm happy that I'm finally starting to get my strength back after being out of the gym for a few months after my knee.
Yeah, I need to start lifting. Amazing moments from Ovechkin's potential last home game of 2026. I saw they won last night. I didn't watch it, but we beat the Pengs.
I don't think so, Z. I think I got really lucky the first time around with Jack Daniels. I gotta keep telling myself that it's probably not gonna work this time.
How far are you willing to go?
I mean, I'm willing to just go. Because even if I get to a year, 365 steps is really, that doesn't take that long.
Yeah, and it's really not that far either.
Yeah, it's... I will definitely have to start speeding up the videos soon.
Yeah. Tim, did you see Matt 1 mil challenge is short of adding 28 minis now? What?
It's not cheating. I will still be
Trades by Matt?
the same length. I just have to skip through it because nobody wants me to watch these take 100 steps in a row at normal speed.
Is he live? Not live. Which Matt are we talking about? Oh, I don't follow that scammer.
Or it's AI. That's true. I guess I could just do
That
AI.
dude is a doucher. If there's one person in this industry I wish I could get everyone to not follow, it's him.
FBI, open up!
I wish the FBI would go to his house. This guy named Day Trading with Matt. His name's not even Matt. He changed his name to Matt to try to steal views from people searching for trades by Matt. And then it just stuck, so he left it. It's not even his real name. And then he's the guy that got all the smaller affiliates kicked out of My Funded Futures. And he's also the guy that took money from all of his friends and family, lost it all, and then tried to blame someone else. Even though it's on record now, because they took him to court, that he just lost the money because he's that bad of a trader. Yes, this is all real. Go look it up. Would I lie to you ever, let alone about something as like that? Come on.
I saw somebody on X brought a new lawsuit against Top Step.
Yeah, I saw that too. That's probably just something stupid though. See, Miss K knows. The fact that your YouTube name is Day Trading with Matt and your name is not even Matt because you're trying to get away from your real name because it's associated with all that other stuff I just told you about. And the reason he changed it to Matt was to try to steal views from Trades by Matt. So he made it Day Trading with Matt. He tried to make it sound as close as he could to Trades by Matt so that when people were searching for the other Matt, the legit Matt, they find him instead. Like, the dude is just a fraudster. He's the definition of Furu. Car. That stock gives me nightmares.
Car, C-A-R.
Isn't that the one that like went up $500 in one day? Pretty sure I got caught in that.
I don't know, but just in the middle of March it was $100 and now it's $300.
Yeah. So yes. Did you see the guy who's suing Topstep for their recent live plan change? Yeah, I saw. I didn't look into it yet. I don't really care too much about stuff like that until it really gets traction. If it starts really getting traction, I'll look into it. But a lot of times that shit ain't even real anyway. Like, it's real, but there's no there's no shit, what's the word I'm looking for? There's no oomph behind it. There's no actual, like, some people sue just to sue is what I'm getting at. I can't think of the word that I was thinking of. We're trying. We're going back up to the highs here.
All right, let me see if I can try this and time it. It's real.
Ha! Gay!
That's pretty close.
Oh, I was so close. What's up, Market Frog? Sold MU for 3 points. Nice. Good job.
I said, hold up. Wait a minute.
Can I
Something
do
ain't
day
right.
trading with Tim Best channel? I mean, go for it. Just make sure they all use code VOLA. I don't really care. I'm not big enough to where it would work, so ain't nobody looking for me.
Apes snatching up them big bullet stock plays.
Minus 31K, less to add more. Where? What are you talking about? Oh, is that what he's down? Oh, whatever. I hope he loses it all and then tries to blame somebody else. Damn, Lanto made $330,000 today on his live account. Well, he had to have been... Well, no, because we opened up near the close. I was thinking maybe options with the big gap down, but a lot of it was recovered. How the heck do you make that much money? Like, what is he trading to make that? Oil? What does oil look like? Can't even look at that today. Oh, it actually went back up. Oh yeah, my dad's coming over at lunchtime to get some swings into the net.
SAFX starting to move again.
Which means I'll probably leave here at least by 11:30.
Move up closer to 130.
Let's see if this works today. Oh, it works. Maybe. Hold on, don't enter. Need to change it anyway.
MNTS.
All right, let's see if this works. Exclamation point marbles, get them in. You got 2 minutes.
MNTS.
2 minutes. It's working so far. It keeps working. Still working.
Ooh, it's nice out today. 74.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 80. Getting a little pop here. Up through 50 is what I'm looking for. You got 40 seconds. All right, we're at 50. Through 50. Can we get an extension? Come on. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I'm here to talk with you again. Come on, I need more. Go. Go. FOMOing. I'm FOMOing.
Order filled. Order working.
For the 50 retest. A little quickie.
Order
And
filled.
we'll take it. A little $20 quickie. Connor, you were already in there. Yeah, I guess we gotta do that again today too. That'll warm me up for swinging the bat with my dad. Been doing all this work on my golf swing, and now I'm gonna start swinging a softball bat again. That's gonna screw everything up. I'm just gonna practice swinging my bat like Otani, so I can get my hips through. You're up 71.5? Damn it, you're beating me by $2. All right, who was last? Machado, you were last. We're good. Oh, I already had you in there. Open. 34. Perfect.
All right, gents, it is 11 o'clock, which means time for the stream to end. I'm going to keep trading for a little while. Might do some yard work. Definitely going to go to the gym this afternoon.
Oh, I should have held it.
Should be back same time tomorrow morning at 8:30. Can't complain on the day if I don't get any more. 4 for 4.
Damn, why didn't I hold, guys?
Take that. Hope you all have a great one, and I'll catch you later.
Oh, what is going on here? 11 o'clock candle doing wonders? What the? I'm going to try to snag some of this.
Order working.
Replace.
A rubber band action, maybe? Yes, no?
Order filled.
Hey, we'll take it. I'm beating you now, Don. You caught that? Like the short? Hell yeah, let's go. It's hard not to take. I mean, that was like one of the biggest candles of the day. Oh, not really, but it's a nice candle. All right, what did I say? 34. PGT's gone. All right, well, while we try to figure out what the market's doing, let's do this. Change the money counter up to 130. See what Pop said. Woo.
Can we hit this goal?
Order filled.
Hey, hey, hey. Got a thief in the room. Stealing my dumbbells that I never use. Seems like Matt is not on Tradeify anymore. Well, I know he's not on Apex anymore because they told him to fuck off. And I'm assuming it's the same with Tradeify. Catches up with you, man. That'd be my guess. Has anybody ever used those like element those electrolyte things? I cramp a lot and I've been thinking about looking into those. Chart's trying to move down further. Like LMNT, I think. Yeah. I see they advertise like a lot. Hydrogen water and ginger root. Just eat a pickle. I mean, that sounds great. They're very salty. Yeah, well, aren't they basically salt? You would have won? Oh, if you were in. Should have been here, Jason. Jason, how's it been going? Have you gotten some payouts yet? GDT out in the lead. You know, I like the idea of eating pickles a lot better, actually. Might just do that. How many pickles to eat a day versus salt? I was, but have too many screens going. Oh. Well... Yeah, I got you. I got you. I mean, winning $130 via marbles is probably not going to change your life, so... Ooh, Donovan. That was nice. We got our first attempt. Too bad this isn't the third race. This is only the second race, but if you win, who cares? In the hole. In the hole. Yes! The legit way. Donovan's doing it legit. Donovan's doing it legit. Not anymore, Trader's Nest. Wawa's going for it. Donovan, I don't know if that's going to be enough speed. Not going to matter. Oh, I spoke too soon. Oh. All right. Third race. Somebody crosses the bridge. We keep going. Third race. Cross the bridge. We keep going. Limit pickle consumption to 1 to 2 servings per week rather than daily due to high sodium. One whole dill pickle can contain over 1,000 milligrams of sodium, roughly half the recommended daily intake. of 2,300. Regular high consumption increases risks of hypertension and kidney issues, though 1 to 2 pickles can safely offer electrolytes. Sodium in pickles. So basically, I just need to eat them before I'm going to do sports stuff. Experts warn this can happen if you eat too many pickles. Wow. Apparently, we're fucked if we eat too many pickles. You guys have been eating way too many pickles. It says 1 to 2 pickles. But what size pickle? Like the little pickles? Are we talking about them like giant? Those giant pickles. Yeah, but I don't like bananas because they're really high in calories. How I get the job, pickle expert. I don't have any pickles either right now, I don't think. I think I do, but don't pickles go bad? Well, pickles can't go bad, do they? Because that's how they get good. It says, yes, pickles can go bad, although their high acidity and salt content allow them to last for months. Oh, no, yeah, mine are definitely bad. They've been in the fridge for longer than a couple months. It says 1 to 3 months after opened. Unopened jars can last for a year or more. But don't pickles become pickles from sitting in their own juices for a long time? Like they're cucumbers. Well, now I want to go get some pickles. Some people like cucumbers better pickled. I am one of them. I do like cucumbers, though. I've never not liked cucumbers. All right. All we need is 1 to cross. Sovereignty is going to be our first one. Nope. Tony. Tony and Don. Nope. Nope. We still got more than 10 left. That's good. Oh, we're at 10. Carlo. Nope. Popping now. Popping now. You're just a smidge early. Uh-oh. This isn't looking good. Down to 3. Don, can you save him? Down to 2. Oh, no. I've taken profit. You are our last hope, and that looks left. Wow. Well, that sucks for you guys. That sucks for you guys. Take a shot every time he say pickle. A pickle shot. Womp, womp, womp. I want you. You've been watching too much other stuff, Sean. You've been watching too much of the other stuff. All right, now we're popping back up here. Damn. I really wanted to short that, but so close to 50 and high of day, that would be silly. Nowhere near the bands. Let me find another drill on YouTube for clearing my hips. Clear the hips golf drill. The Eureka rotation drill. The trick to clearing the hips. Oh, this is the one I was already doing. Yeah, check that out. Oh, this is the same guy. Yeah. My right knee, like just thinking of playing softball tonight, my knee is hurting. Let me grab another drink real quick. I'll be right back. All right. So this says Best Buy June 8th, 2027. Do you think they're still good? Here's my favorite, by the way. I really like sweet jerkins, but I also really like the bread and butter spears. I'm going to open it. And we're going to see what it smells like. Kind of scared now. Because these have been in the fridge for a while. And the juice hasn't been covering all of them because I use some of the juice for making chicken. Oh, they smell perfectly fine. They smell just like they did before. Should we try one? How much to drink it? That's a lot of pickle juice. And it's got all the stuff in it. I'll do it for 500 bucks. And I would regret that.
Brother,
but I would do it. I'd do it for 500 bucks. I'm good. I was trying to think of a number that's too high, but not too low. Yeah. I mean, I'm gonna eat one of these anyway, so they do seem a little like floppy. Let me smell the picklets. I mean, it smells fine. I'm gonna take a bite. See what the texture's like. I should probably split the rest of this out. I'll be right back.
he got his ass cooked. He got cooked.
Adrian, you didn't go down like that, huh?
He got cooked.
Yeah, that wasn't the best tasting. Later, Jason. That's right. Keep what you earn. I'm gonna wash them down with some of these. Now these are good. I need another $100. 95 bucks. Give it another like 10-15 minutes. He drinks 3 cases of Monster until Monster sponsors
Order
him
filled.
before he goes to the ER. It's on YouTube. Woman says she believes Monster Energy drinks are from Satan. I'm not seeing this reel. If you find it, link it. Same guy. Found it.
Energy sponsorship or end up in the hospital.
30 fucking months.
All right, we're in the hospital. This is day one of drinking 30 White Monsters until I get a Monster Energy sponsorship or end up in the hospital.
30 fucking months.
All right, we're in the hospital.
That was pretty funny. Yeah, but do it with the whiskey. Uh, watching professional golfers swing. So good. Just make it look so easy. Yeah, today's been pretty boring. I'm still just using Apex and Traders Launch. I just haven't. I've been using these same 2 accounts for a while, so I haven't had a reason to get more. Reach the 40% for my day on the giveaway account. Let's go. That's 2 days now. All right, give us a couple more minutes, see if we break down. I'm hoping that if we break down, we'll break below 300 and get a push, but see. All right, there we go. See if we can get through 300. Excuse me. All right, coming down to 300. See if we can push through.
Order working.
Nope. Give it one more try. See if we can come back down. Would have been a good for science trade. Poke, poke. Poke, poke. Oh, I still gotta do the 6-7. Six, 7 speed. All right, watch off. Ring off. Oh, yeah, is this the week that I'm going on Tradeify too? Or is it next week? I think it's next week. Yeah, it's next Monday. So this is our last week to prepare. One small green shade. Hey, man. Green is green. All right. Let's deactivate this. Go here. Let enter.
Six, 7!
Let's do it. Let's go. New high score. Just worked off all those pork rinds. Woo! 344, baby. Let's go. And we need that number to go up until next Monday. That's because you got noodles for arms? You're not wrong. You're not wrong. All right. We'll give the chart one more chance here. One more chance for the chart. And then I got to go set up the net and stuff because my dad's coming over. Oh, okay. We're going the opposite way. All right, I'll give this one chance. But if we start to project back to the medium, I'm done. I'm out of here. What do you mean? I mean him too. Why not? Talking about. Tomorrow we can play some video games, but I got something to do today. All right, it's just messing around at Friday's close. I'm out of here. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place. Appreciate y'all being here. Till tomorrow, have a good rest of your day. Might give something away tomorrow. Who knows? Never know. Never know unless you're here. Until then, have a good rest of your day. Stay safe. Peace. Whoa, 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 whoa! Did you see that spike? Did you see that spike? Hold on, hold on. We still here. We still here. Hold on. Hold on. Hold up.
I said, hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
What a joke, man. I was saying my buy, it was going down, and I literally go to hit the button, and then it's just like, pew! There's no time to get an entry, though. NQ, man. NQ doing NQ things. You know, the minute I walk away from my computer. All right, we're going to watch the volume bar. If the volume bar gets anywhere close to this previous bar, we'll stay. If it does not, we're just going to get out of here. I mean, obviously, or if the price gets way up there. But it's looking like the volume died way down after that candle. Which seems to be the case after these big volume bars. If you go back, it's happened twice already. One at 10:23, one at 11, and then the volume just died off right after. I am still, my heartbeat is still going from the 6-7. As long as you love me. All right, we're coming to go. All right. I'm out of here. I'll be here tomorrow, same time, same place. Until then, have a good rest of your day. I will see you tomorrow. Peace.